hello, come on down. We're having so much fun down here.
Look at all the girls, look at all the women. It's a grand old party.
Here's what it says.
Trump. Red, white, blue.
You look at the turnout here today, it's going to be a packed house. That says a lot about the popularity of the candidate.
Would you call yourself a Trump supporter?
No, absolutely not.
Anyone need to register?
I'm there.
Good. God bless you.
God bless you, sir.
God bless America, too.
I hope Donna will give us an exciting speech today.
And make America great again.
Yeah. Yay!
Hillary and the Loch Ness Monster! Indict them both!
Reagan said, Mr. Gorbachev, tear down that wall. These guys want to build one.
Hillary for prison yesterday, folks.
I saw him in a room and I said, he's the guy. He's the guy I want. And all my friends said, you're crazy. And I said, no, you watch. You watch.
Most of these people that are walking by are just talking about building the wall. Build that wall, build that wall.
That he's good and Hillary's bad.
Do the chicken dance. Woo! Bye!